Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Yes, we are back with Uthando Nestembu, and this is an opinion that I posted on my TikTok. Please do enjoy. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So, Uthando Nestembu, right? And we agreed with each other on Arbetan. Get TV, Abarizi Musa, Nalwen, right? But, guys, am I wrong to feel Uguti Umusa is an instigator? Musa mselegu walwes, butsuru wa ikirbiao. Musa ashule arega a livestock, upudi orungu, aitengela ubab Khumalo to appreciate the woman Uma Khumalo is emdedi. Well, I'm sure you know, Guti, in the next season, this is going to be a problem for the other wives, because the other wives, when they are busy recording, they are going to mention Guti, abanye bayabongwa thina sibonga. No, Musa ustohutu. No, abutiwe. Nakira Musa arumethemba tu, arbetheng Musa. Aranteng mapanta, rebetheng Musa, because Musa ustohutu. Okay, so Ubab Mselegu went to Ubab Khumalo and they had that discussion. And Ubab Khumalo obviously was happy. No other man will not be pleased to be told to say, your girl is wifing very well. Right? Okay, sharp. Kube indaba kabani. Askisi shem. Siya eskolweni and my kids are gonna bother me. Then siya kundaba Khumalo. No Mangwabi. They had their own discussion, little date there on the side. And on that date, Uma Khumalo decided to say, Mina ngibonga nje ukuthi wena akho eliphumelele ukuthi wena uyahamba. Okay, let's briga bova. Briga. Ngisho nini kanjalo? Ukuthi mina angihaki matorokisi. Awahaki ke right. Ke a itse go defend Mangwabe ditlokwata. Mara ke Mangwabe high felo. Like we all know. Then back to Maqele. I am sorry for those that get offended because I'm pronouncing it wrong. So I'm still learning isiZulu. So please make a video stitch me or jeweled me and then pronounce Maqele correctly. I'm hoping this time I'm pronouncing it correctly, right? Okay, back to Maqele. Then the whole issue of her understanding what it means ukuthi siyamnakekelwa ulokhunja uyasupportwa in was broken down by Umusa Mselegu. But ke Umusa ended up apologizing in any case so that he can be able to bring Umakhwela. Umakhwela wife number. Thank you. Umakhwela is wife number 5. Alethwe ke uMakhwela alethe njenge direction yani yele konje in the storyline isho fast isho. That's right, umnakwethu. Alethwe in the form of umnakwethu. Aqele kuyomsele ukuthi ngicela ukumfaka. Umakhwela was not prepared. Ugqobile une but ke that was the reality of the situation. Angene ke Umakhwela, the reaction in Maqele's face, it shows ukuthi girl is pretending by wanting number 5. Ufuna number 5 so that train can be long and that her suffering can be felt by the others, not necessarily because. Wantlhalwanya ke ngenile ke Umakhwela. Mina, it looked like the way ngibona snippets for the episode today, it looked like girl is not happy. Number one, it looks like she's not happy with the age of the woman. She's not happy with the fact that wala emzumbi. So it means ukuthi recruitment space yakamselegu ila ene inyathela bani amakhonsi umayeni. Hey guys, ditlobo. I don't know. What do you think? But overall conclusion of yesterday's episode, Umusa is naughty. Umusa uyalwisa. Why buy a whole livestock to thank Ubaba Khumalo, whereas it did not happen to Ubaba Maqele? And we all know ukuthi other wives are going to bring it up and say it means ukuthi we are not significant. Le ringa step, le show, mfuna ungena. Ngapha nikaswakele singile.